Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Bala here. Welcome you all to my channel Talent Traders. Those who are new to my YouTube channel, kindly make subscribe the channel to get more update on intraday and positional trading strategies. And we are going to discuss about the candlesticks, that is what are inside bar, sorry, bearish and bullish engulfing, that we are discussing on our last video. Now how we can effectively use that particular candlesticks pattern in option trading, that I'm going to discuss in this video right now. So if you are not yet subscribed my channel, kindly subscribe the channel to get more update on intraday and post strategies. And here I'm going to make such a 10-20% return using the bullish and bearish engulfing candlesticks pattern, how we can do in options, that I'm going to discuss here. To make that, so we are going to use in a 15 minutes, sorry, daily time frame, not for a 15 minutes time frame. We will go for a use in daily time frame. So first we will go for a bearish engulfing. So any stocks where forms a bearish engulfing on this month on daily basis. Let's look at this. This is a daily basis chart where we are going to find out that bearish engulfing pattern. So from this August month, this was August 10, and here it is forms on 4th August. We got a lot of stocks which forms on 4th August, and around 3rd August this should be a 2nd August. 2nd August we got only Colpal and Sriram Transport, so both are not good for a liquid option trades. So, but even though we will go for a Sriram, whether it is good or bad on 2nd August. But this 2nd August is the first day Sriram Transport, right? So 1st August is the second, that is the first day of the month, right? But even though, so we will go for, because this is a daily chart where you see that the 2nd August it forms 1430 and 1335, almost 90 points moved in a single day, and it is also looking a spinning top candlesticks which is forms at the monthly high. That is the day one is the high and low should be the monthly high and monthly low. That you should remember, that monthly high and monthly low, where it is broken that level. So because where I am going to take that broken at this point of 155 by immediately for 3rd August by end of the day. So I'm going to take on 340 put option. So let's take the option chart. What will be I'm going to get a profit or not. So and so how I'm going to find out such a great opportunity using the candlestick patterns. Gram transport on 2nd 8 2021. So the price is breakdown prices around 1330. Let's go for a SRT 1340. 1330 is present. Let's check it out. The strike price available one. There is no strike price available. So let's go for a 1340 put option. This entry was triggered on 4th August. You got it? The entry is triggered by 4th August. So there we are going to take the entry by, sorry, 3rd August entry trigger, the formation which forms at 2nd August. The risk for the stock is around 90 points if you are doing with the futures. But here I'm going to trade with options and we'll check it out. This is a 15-minute chart of that particular option. Now it is trading 96 on the day where I'm going to just go for a 1 hour chart. So to get smaller, just close this. Now it is start. That is why I said you initially that is not good at all. And 3rd August, the price of the stock is 50 rupees. The price of the stock is 50 rupees on 3rd August by closing hours. Let's show you. Let's in target on 3rd 8. The price of the stock is somewhere around T. The next day it moves down to 42 and it finally went up 67, then 70, finally it peaks 100. So double your investment in options. That is a risky. If you are investing or buying the option, that is a full of risky premium. You are going to ready to lose that much of premium if the market is not moving towards your direction. You are going to lose. But I'm going to take this as my profit because it is doubled my investment. So we have the plan how we can do this kind of trade with the edging manner. So that we are teaching on our paid lessons and advanced option strategies. Wish to learn? just hit the message on my WhatsApp to learn know more about the strategies and details. So here the one stock where it is double your capital. So I'm not interested to do call call because illiquidity. And this is happening by the next day, 3rd August, we find out GoForge. Let's go for GoForge on 3rd August. GoForge, this is what a trade 3rd August. We got an opportunity, but we didn't find out any trade opportunity because the market is fall down or it is forms a gap down by next day itself. We didn't get any trade opportunity. The day one where it is moves forms a bearish engulfing that candle 3rd August we don't have opportunity at this stock because we are entry is 4938. The stock is trading long term only around 17th August only touches the price. We don't go for that trade. There is a no opportunity, right? And here again 3rd August we seen that, 2nd August we seen that, and we have a lot of opportunity on 4th of August, Ramco, Torrent Pharma. So those stock which is trading good volume and option premium. So that we can go for. And we will filter out Ramco. Let's take Torrent Pharma on this was that 4th of August. On 5th August we got a trigger 3060. Let's try to Torrent Pharma 3060. Don't check Torrent 3000 NFO. 2060 is there put as present at 3060. I hope there is no volume. Check it out. Check it out. There's no chart for. Let's go for a Torrent Pharma warranty 3000 put option where it is having. So there is no good volume on the stock. But even though if you're checking that on 4th of August the price of the stock is around by closing is around somewhere around 67, it moves 147. So we don't take because the good movement is there but the option is illiquid, we leave it. And Ambuja Cement on 4th of August, let's go for Ambuja Cement on 4th of August. There was a good trade which is present, and the low of the trade is 414. Whenever it breaks 414, it is broken by the 6th of August. Ambuja Cement 415. Strike price we will select 415. Put option we are selecting that is also not a Ambuja Cement. But when checking that, there is a where we got a breakout on 6th August. Let's check that 6th August price of 1070 almost it increased big, right? And finally, so we are going to check in hotels are not good for the Apollo tire. Let's take for Apollo tire. That is the good volume tires where it is exactly forms and after that it not broken the high. That is what important. Whenever it broke that high, our stop loss got triggered. So once the stop loss get triggered, so we should exit from the option trade. So where we got the trade 225 on this 5th of August. Let's go for the Apollo tire. Apollo tire 225 put options. Maybe it may be trading good volume. Why put option is there? It's not work. Just why put options? Let's be chart chart. I think this was not plotting the chart. I maybe so let for some site traders there you can get it out. Now let's check the prior to buy options. So is there any chart plotting? Sorry, this is Apollo Hospital. Highest 255 put option. Now it is trading around 20 daily chart. So we didn't get any historical data. So I hope this may be not good. But this kind of movement from 224 fallen down to 205. Let's wait. Open for India. So we find what is the exact price. 20 put options we are going to take by on 5th of August, right? That is what my idea. So let's take up buyers. I'm going to check from the historical backtest. So option of 225. So where it is good volume or not. Now it is 20 rupees problem 1 month back. So we are going to take that entry by somewhere around 225. So on that was happening on the next day around 5th of August. On the 5th of August, the price of this stock is closing is 8 rupees, whatever, and I'm taking a closing price. So from there, it is doubled on 12th August. It is doubled on 12th August. That is the big deal, and after that, it moves towards to 4 rupees, and now it is 20 rupees. Why? Because of the suddenly recovery that it started down and is now in a bottom, right? So lot of stocks. Z Entertainment is cracked. Today also we seen some Z Entertainment. This is what 4th of August, where it is broken 200. Now it is coming down to 69. That's Zeal 200 put option. So here what we have seen all the things where the put option where you check that 1 hour chart. So where we got a entry opportunity around immediately 5th of August. 5th of August the Zeal 200 put option here somewhere by take closing price somewhere around the 7 rupees. Now it is 30. Great idea to make intraday additional profit, right? So using the candlesticks pattern, it will, so you can check it NMDC, Zeal, Maruti, DLF. Let's check NMDC forms here, I think, and after that it started moving down from 178, 106. Absolutely, we are going to make profit on NMDC. DLF is another stock that has moved last month very well, and it makes the candlesticks pattern top. There is a big deal, and it is breaking below 346. Now it is 300. There is another brave profit from ELF for this month, August month. So based on this condition, this happened on 1 day, and after that we find out Nam India, Reliance Nippon India, and Metropolis not good for options, and another one Bank Baroda, the less value stock. Take Bank Baroda 998, Bank Baroda 98. It is forming big 85 to 80, and once it broke in 80, now it is moving towards 73. There is a 10 rupees movement on the stock, just a few seconds. So everything was making you profit on a daily basis, or sorry, positional basis, where there is a great opportunity set. So that is what important point where it forms at highest level. So we are Bank Baroda that is also moves, and after that we got some stock the 17th August NTPC. Take 18th August. It is also working good. I hope you got some idea. Only this video I'm going to make you bearish angle. So give me a time. I'll make another video how we can do effectively in options using bullish engulfing pattern. Right? So this is what our naked options having risky, and we have the strategies for, or we have the templates for strategy which we can easily apply on that candlestick pattern with the reduced risk as well as good return. And if you're interested to learn, just ping me on Telegram or WhatsApp or directly. That's about this video. I hope you may enjoyed about this video. Thanks for watching. Thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Kindly make subscribe the channel to get. Thank you so much. Thank you.